deep in the lush rubber plantations, where the tropical sun over Endlivia reshaping. The journey of us up with the pressure grip the roads of the world. Each drop of this natural latex is carefully collected before it can dry or spoil. Workers move efficiently through the plantation, that resource that has powered transportation for over a century. Back at the collection shed, chemistry takes over. Formic acid is introduced to the fresh latex, causing it to coagulate into solid rubber sheets. This ancient yet essential step transforms.
Feed it in steady now. Pressing down hard, watch the water. Ready to wrap and lift.
Hundreds of these rubber bales are carefully loaded onto trucks. What began as liquid sap from living trees is now ready to travel from the green fields to the heart of modern industry. The journey continues as the loaded truck leaves the quiet plantation behind and heads toward the bustling tire manufacturing facility, carrying hundreds of pale white rubber bales that will soon become the strong foundation of modern tires. Upon arrival at the factory gates, the truck carrying its load of pale white natural rubber bales enters the industrial ecosystem where precise transformation into high-performance tires will begin. At the receiving dock, the pale white rubber bales are carefully unloaded from the truck. Every bale is handled with care as it begins its journey deeper into the tire production facility.
Weight is stable at 35.2 kilos.
Good. I'll check the surface now. Looks clean. Marking it approved.
Okay, send it to processing.
The pale white natural rubber bales are now safely stored inside the factory warehouse, carefully organized and ready for the first major processing stages that will compound and transform them into the durable material used in every modern tire. Inside the factory, the pale white natural rubber bales are now moved from storage by skilled operators. This internal transport ensures the raw material flows efficiently toward the first processing stages where it will begin its transformation into tire compounds. The bales travel deeper into the facility on automated conveyor systems. Every movement is carefully coordinated to maintain a steady supply of natural rubber to the heart of the tire production process. Welcome to the compounding hall, where raw materials meet advanced technology. Here, the pale white natural rubber will be combined with carbon black, oils, and chemicals to create the strong, flexible rubber compound essential for tires. Workers carefully load the natural rubber bales into the Banbury mixer. This powerful machine will knead and blend the rubber under intense pressure and heat, starting the critical compounding process. Inside the Banbury, intense mechanical force and controlled heat begin to break down the rubber and blend it with reinforcing agents. What started as pale white bales is now transforming into a homogeneous black rubber compound. The mixed compound is discharged from the Banbury onto the mill. Here, the hot rubber is further refined, ensuring uniform distribution of all ingredients before it moves to the next stage. On the two-roll mill, the compound is sheeted and cooled slightly. This step creates manageable sheets of rubber that will later be used in building the various parts of the tire. The freshly milled rubber sheets are cooled on specialized conveyors to reach the ideal temperature and consistency for the next critical stages of tire component production. The compound now enters the extruder, where it will be forced through dies to create precise profiles for tire treads, sidewalls, and other components. Precision extrusion creates the exact shapes needed for tire construction. These black rubber profiles represent the first formed components that will soon be assembled into complete tires. The freshly extruded black rubber profiles continue their journey through the factory. These precisely shaped components will now be further refined and prepared for the tire building process. In the calendaring section, the extruded rubber is pressed into precise sheets of exact thickness. This critical step ensures every layer of the future tire will have consistent strength and flexibility. The calendared sheets are now cut into individual components. Each piece is carefully prepared according to strict specifications so it will fit perfectly during the tire assembly stage. Cut rubber components are transported efficiently to the tire building stations. Here, the various parts will come together to form the green tire, the unfinished tire before vulcanization.
Entering the tire building hall, where skilled operators transform individual components into complete tire structures. This is where the tire truly begins to take shape.
The process begins with the inner liner, the airtight layer that will hold air pressure. Workers apply each component with precision, building the tire layer by layer on the rotating drum. Body plies and strong steel bead wires are added next. These elements provide the structural strength and stability that allow the tire to withstand high speeds and heavy loads. Sidewalls and the all-important tread are applied last. At this stage, the green tire looks almost complete, but it still requires the final curing process to gain its full strength and durability. The green tire is gently removed from the drum and sent onward. Hundreds of these uncured tires are produced every hour, each one identical in quality and ready for the transformative curing stage. The green tires arrive in the curing preparation zone. Before the intense vulcanization process begins, each tire is spent in cleaning to ensure no defects or foreign particles affect the final quality. Skilled inspectors perform the first detailed visual check on every green tire. Any imperfection spotted at this stage is corrected early, maintaining the high standards required for modern tires. Initial cleaning removes any surface contaminants from the green tire. This meticulous step ensures perfect contact between the rubber and the mold during vulcanization, resulting in a flawless finished product. After cleaning, the green tires are transferred to the sorting line. Here they are grouped according to exact size, model, and performance specifications before entering the curing presses. Modern sorting systems use automation to organize hundreds of green tires efficiently. This ensures each tire reaches the correct curing press matched to its size and design requirements.
Diverting now.
Bead diameter check. 508 millimeters. Perfect. Sidewall uniformity. Uniform and clean. Good. Hoist it to the press. The green tire is loaded into the vulcanization press. In the next few minutes, intense heat and pressure will chemically transform the rubber through vulcanization, creating strong crosslinks that give the tire its final durability. During vulcanization, sulfur and heat create permanent bonds in the rubber. This ancient discovery by Charles Goodyear is the heart of modern tire manufacturing, turning the soft green tire into a tough, resilient product. The press opens to reveal the transformed tire. What was once a soft green tire has now become a strong, finished product with permanent shape and outstanding performance characteristics. After vulcanization, the tires are cooled and moved to post-cure inspection. This initial sorting ensures only perfect tires continue to the precision finishing and quality control stages. In the core processing stage, excess flash rubber created during vulcanization is precisely trimmed away. This meticulous work ensures clean, professional edges and perfect fitment on rims, maintaining both safety and appearance of the finished tire. Checking the tread for bubbles and imperfections. Surface is smooth, marking as approved. Advanced X-ray systems peer deep inside the tire to inspect hidden steel belts and cord layers. This non-destructive testing guarantees structural integrity that cannot be seen from the outside. Dynamic balancing ensures the tire will run smoothly at high speeds without vibration. This precision step is essential for vehicle safety, comfort, and tire longevity on today's roads. Uniformity testing simulates real-world driving conditions to measure how smoothly the tire performs. Tires that meet strict tolerance levels are approved, while any that need minor corrections are routed for additional work. Final surface finishing gives the tire its clean, professional appearance. These last manual touches ensure every tire not only performs well but also looks premium when it reaches the customer. Laser marking permanently adds all essential information to the sidewall. These markings tell drivers and technicians everything they need to know about the tire's capabilities and origin. Tread depth is consistent, sidewall markings are clear.
Agreed. No visible defects. Let's check the overall appearance.
Looks good. Confirmed. Applying the sticker. Finished tires now leave the main production floor and head into the warehouse. Here they will be stored carefully before being prepared for shipment to customers around the world. Inside the warehouse, finished tires are systematically stored and organized. This marks the end of the core manufacturing journey and the beginning of the final packaging and dispatch stages. In the main transformation and warehousing stage, finished tires are systematically palletized for efficient storage. This organized handling ensures tires remain protected and ready for the final journey to customers worldwide. Modern tire factories rely heavily on high-tech automation systems. Automated guided vehicles efficiently move heavy pallets of finished tires throughout the warehouse, reducing manual handling while maintaining perfect safety and the automated storage and retrieval system stores and retrieves pallets with incredible speed and accuracy. This high-tech solution allows the factory to manage thousands of tires efficiently in a compact, organized. A sophisticated network of automated conveyors moves pallets seamlessly across the facility. This integrated system connects storage, inspection, and dispatch without unnecessary human intervention. Even the final loading into trucks is supported by high-tech automation. These systems minimize physical strain on workers and ensure optimal space utilization inside every truck. From the central control room, operators oversee the entire high-tech automation ecosystem. Real-time monitoring ensures everything runs smoothly 24 hours a day. Confirming special order pallet. Confirmed, proceed to dispatch. High-tech automation does not replace people, it works alongside. Automation allows the factory to operate efficiently around the clock. Even at night, tires continue moving from storage to dispatch, ensuring steady supply to markets worldwide. This is the power of high-tech automation in modern tire manufacturing. From raw rubber to finished product, intelligent systems and dedicated workers together create the tires that keep the world moving safely and reliably. Advanced automated sorting systems group the finished tires according to customer orders and specifications. This precision ensures the right tires reach the right destinations without delay or error. Pallets of finished tires are securely stretch wrapped to protect them during storage and transportation. This final packaging step safeguards the tires from dust, moisture, and damage until they reach the end user. Each pallet receives detailed labeling and digital scanning. This ensures full traceability from the factory floor to the customer, maintaining quality control even after production is complete. Pallets of finished tires are now moved to the dispatch area. Here, the transformation from raw rubber to complete product reaches its final logistical stage before leaving the factory. Loading teams work efficiently to fill trucks with pallets of finished tires. These tires, born from natural rubber and transformed through precision engineering, are now ready to be distributed globally. Once loaded and secured, the trucks undergo final checks. Soon these tires will travel from the factory to warehouses, tire shops, and vehicle assembly lines across the country and beyond. The journey of the tire is almost complete. Loaded trucks carry the finished products away from the factory, delivering reliable grip and safety to roads everywhere.